Welcome to Let's Build Stuff. We've got a special guest on the show today to keep an eye on things. So please say hi to the General. In this series, Let's Build Stuff, we will learn how to build fun things using building blocks and basic building concepts. In today's episode, we'll make a cannon. So, let's build stuff. Here is what a cannon looks like. And here are the different parts you'll need. For the tire, the front of the cannon, the body, and the back. First, we build the base and the axle. Then we add the tires. And then we connect the tires to the axle. We also connect a piece to help connect this portion to the rest of the body, with the help of this plastic connector and the triangle piece. Then we've got to finish the front of the cannon with this yellow triangle piece. And then the body, the frame, and one back support wing of the cannon are connected together. And you'll add the second back wing for support to balance the cannon, exactly like so. You know, you can always use the cute little wrench to tighten the nuts and bolts. Next, we need to lift the cannon a bit, which we'll do with this 1-inch angle. And finally, the cannon needs its tube, which we will attach to the front, and then tighten it. There's just so much you can build with various building blocks and tools available to you. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Stay tuned to ToffeeTV for more videos just like this.
All these gifts, all you have to do is subscribe to ToffeeTV, ring the bell, and comment on all our videos. Best comment wins each month. Don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family. ToffeeTV.com